Alright, this is the Texas Riggin bundle from Googan Baits. I'll show you. I bought a couple extra things before we open that up. Bought myself a lunker log, 4-inch, the green pumpkin purple. Look at that, nice, beautiful color. The other one I bought wasn't in the packet. Was a bandito bug. This is the sprayed lettuce. Alright, this is the sprayed lettuce, nice flakes on it. Nice green, purple. Yeah, looks like it's gonna have some good action. And because I spent $50 on the website, they did send me a free bait, and it was a crack and crawl natural color. See how that one looks. Look at that color. Looks great. It's gonna be some good action. Put it back in my packet. Stick. Looking at this Texas Rig bundle here. Alright. Press them out one at a time. Put those over there. Got some tucked in weights. Not too bad. I like the green. Sent me a bandito bug in the baby blue. Or came with baby blue. Looks, come here, look at that blue, sheesh, and that green. Came with a trench hag in green pumpkin, looks huge. Everything is long. Look at that. Nice green pumpkin color. Should get a lot of bites with that color. I did have this before. Alright. And you got another lunker log, 6-inch though, in the watermelon red flakes. This one looks great. I'm a big fan of the lunker logs. Got quite a bit of fish with them already. Look at that. Nice color, nice flakes on it. Everything so far is good for Texas rigging on, guys. Alright. We got another crack and call in the summer crawl color. Okay. Nice and green. Actually, I like green. Look at that. Nice natural color there. Should be getting some bites on that. Alright. Mondo Worm 10-inch and the green pumpkin as well. And then you got some Some nice hooks right here, 5-pack of 4. Okay. This longer than it looks. Couldn't have it with more slippers in this stuff. Look at that thing. Thing is long. Some good action to it. Nice green color to it as well. Back inside. Another trench hog. We get the black blue flake color there. Look at that. Look at that. It's a great color. Alright. Some more hooks right here. EWG5. Special on those. And we got some Googan stoppers. Never really used these. I'm gonna try them now since it came with the pack. Got a couple more left. We got another bandito bug and a California crawl. Nice red flakes. Great color actually. I like it. Alright, last one is another blazing worm. This is the 8-pack of Oh Could You Be Crawl. I can't even say that word. Look at that. Nice blue. You can see through the plastic here. Ooh, can't wait to put this one on. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, that is the Texas rig bundle from Googan Baits. Got a great deal on it. It was on their Black Friday sales. Took a little bit of gear because it's behind. So far, all great products. I will use these all next time I go fishing. I guess one of these are felt open already. So sticky. And you got the hooks and stoppers. And then the